Next one, milk and milk products. What is milk? Milk is a colloid of butterfat globules with a water-based fluid, a white opaque, slightly sweet nutritious liquid secreted by the mammary gland. In generally, this refers to cow's milk. The term milk also is used for white-colored non-animal beverages resembling milk in color and texture such as soya milk, rice milk, almond milk and coconut milk. Animals provide milk. The following livestock animal provide milk used by human for dairy products: cow, camel, donkey, goat, horse, reindeer, sheep, water buffalo, yak. Physical and chemical structure. Butterfat. Each fat globule is surrounded by a membrane consisting of phospholipids and protein. Proteins, the largest carbohydrate. The carbohydrate lactose gives milk its sweet taste and contributes approximately 40% of whole cow milk's calorie. Lactose is a disaccharide composite of two simple sugars, glucose and galactose. Processing. Pasteurization. It is a process of heating a food, usually liquid, to a specific temperature for a definite length of time and then cooling it immediately. The process slows microbial growth in food. UHT and HTST flash method. UHT means ultra heat treatment. HTST means high temperature short time. In UHT process, milk is forced between metal plates or through pipes heated on outside by hot water and is heated to 71.7 degree Celsius or 161 degree Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 seconds. HTST, high temperature short time. Processing hold the milk at a temperature of 135 degree Celsius or 275 degree Fahrenheit for a fraction of a second. Milk, simply labeled pasteurized, is usually treated with the HTST method, whereas milk labeled ultra pasteurized or symbol UHT has been treated with the UHT method. Holding method. Milk heated at 62 degrees Celsius and held at the temperature for 30 minutes. Microfiltration. Microfiltration is a process that partially replaces pasteurization and produce with less microorganism and longer shelf life without a change in the taste of the milk. In the process, cream is separated from the whey and is pasteurized in the usual way, but the whey is forced through ceramic microfilters that trap 99.9% of microorganism in the milk. The whey then is recombined with the pasteurized cream to reconstitute the original milk composition. Homogenization. Homogenization is intensive blending of mutually related substance or group of mutually related substance to form a constant of different insoluble phase to obtain a suspension or emulsion. Milk often is homogenized, a treatment which prevents a cream layer from separating out of the milk. The milk is pumped at high pressure through very narrow tube, breaking up the fat globules through turbulence and cavitation. This diagram is about homogenization. Feed that pipe, milk will come at high pressure and its heat impact ring will reduce the size of the fat, then become homogenized product. Type of milk: whole milk or silver top. Most of the cream raised to the surface to give a visible cream line. It contains 3.8% of fat. Homogenized milk: red top whole milk, 3.8% of fat in which the cream has been evenly distributed throughout. Semi-skimmed milk: silver or red striped, silver and red striped top. A little over half the cream has been removed to give between 1.5% and 1.8% of fat. Skimmed milk: silver and blue checked top. Almost all the cream has been removed to give 0.1% of fat. This milk is ideal for anyone trying to reduce fat. Other types of whole milk: semi-skimmed and skimmed milk. First one, sterilized. This is homogenized milk that has been heated to boiling point or above to ensure a sterile product. UHT, ultra heat treatment, known as UHT or long life milk. This has been homogenized, then ultra heated and especially packed in foil lined containers. Ultra heat treated UHT long life milk. This has been homogenized, then ultra heated and aseptically packed in foil lined containers. Next one, condensed milk. This is pasteurized homogenized milk that is boiled under special condition until it is reduced to about 1/3 of the original volume. Evaporated. It is not pasteurized or sweetened, but it is sterilized by heating. After canning, it is evaporated to half its original volume, then homogenized, canned and sterilized. Next one, dried milk powder. This may be either whole or skimmed milk that is spray dried or condensed and roller dried. Storage. Fresh milk should be kept in the container in which it is delivered. Milk must be stored in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. Milk should be kept covered as it easily absorbs smells from other food such as onion and fish. Fresh milk should be ordered daily. Tinned milk should be stored in cool, dry, ventilated room. Dried milk is packed in airtight tins and should be kept in dry store. Sterilized milk will keep for 2 to 3 months if unopened, but once opened must be treated in the same way as pasteurized milk. UHT milk will keep unrefrigerated for several months before using. Always check the date stamp which expires 6 months after processing and make sure to rotate stock. Once opened, it must be refrigerated and will keep for 4 to 5 days.